Welcome to my YouTube channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to hard reset Samsung Galaxy S7 Edge. Please follow the steps as I show you in the writings. Power key, home key, and the volume plus key. Hold the three buttons at once and press for at least 15 to 20 seconds. Once the blue screen appears, allow it and press the volume up key. Select Wipe Data Factory Reset. Once selected, press the power key to validate. Choose Yes using volume minus key. Press the power key. Now all the information in your phone will be erased. Once it is done, you will need to reboot your phone. Press the power key. Samsung Galaxy S7 Edge. Remember, your phone is coming back now as a new phone. Just follow the steps as I will show you. Please guys, if you have not yet subscribed to my channel, kindly do, so that you always have notifications when I post new videos. As you can see, the phone is taking some time. Just follow the steps as I go. Please keep following the steps right up to the end. Thanks for watching. Please subscribe to my channel, and if you have a question, leave it in the comment section below. Thanks and thanks